Welcome to Airavata. Are you an absolute beginner who wants to finally start speaking English? Are you feeling a little nervous about grammar? Don't worry. Forget everything you think you know. Today, we are not studying, we are just talking. In the next 10 minutes, you will learn the 7 most important words in English and how to use them to make your first sentence. This is English 101. Let's start your journey right now. Every sentence needs to know who is doing the action. These are your personal pronouns. I call them the magic 7. The first one is I. I. The next one is you. You. For a boy or a man, we use he. He. For a girl or a woman, we use she. She. For a thing, an animal or an idea, we use it. It. For a group of people that includes you, we use we. We. And for a group of people who are not with you, we use they. They. Great. You just learned the magic 7. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Fantastic job. Now let's learn the most important verb in English. We call it to be. We use it to say what we are, where we are, or how we feel. The verb to be has 3 main forms. Let's match them with our magic 7 words. For I, we say am. I am a teacher. For you, we and they, we use are. You are a student. And for he, she, and it, we use is. She is happy. She is happy. Okay, let's practice putting them together. Repeat after me. I am, you are, he is. Perfect. Now let's learn 3 simple words to finish your first sentence. These words describe feelings. We call them adjectives. Happy. Happy. Tired. Tired. Hungry. Hungry. Now let's make a full English sentence. I am happy. You are tired. He is hungry. Try this one. She is happy. Great job. I want you to tell me 2 things using the grammar we learned today. I am dash. Use one of the adjectives happy, tired, or hungry. He or she is dash. Talk about a family member or friend.